Now we have got phylum topic. So let's continue from porifera. We have got porifera, Esclamelthis, Nemathamanthis, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, and Chordata phylum. So we will study first porifera. Among them, this is the first invertebrates phylum. So this phylum porifera means pore bearing. Here given pore bearing. Now, so this is called what? A sponge, pore bearing, and this phylum is called a sponge because this type of animal is called a sponge because of pore bearing. Now we are coined by Robert Grant, and it come under what? Parazoa. It is not Euthrozoa, it is Parazoa. After porifera is Erythrozoa, but it is Parazoa. It is Parazoa, no Erythrozoa. Oh, then after a metazoa without tissue organization is called Parazoa because not of tissue, so it is called Parazoa. Simplest and lowest multicellular organism is called parazoology. Study of this is called. Now it is Republic of cell forming. We have learned from organization of organ how animal made up. So cell make what republic here, and each cell have different function. Now it has two pores, vegetal pore and animal pore. So vegetal pore develop from ectoderm, and animal pore is developed from what? Endoderm. And each had a special type of cell, that is collar cell, only found in this phylum. Other phylum doesn't contain this. Now protospongia is a connecting link between protozoa and porifera. We have studied in evolution too. A sponge cellular level without tissue, multicellular grade because of cell aggregation. A sponge is first multicellular animal. Before a sponge, which phylum? Protozoa. So protozoa is not multicellular, only acellular. And within a cell there is all cell contains cytoplasm and protoplasm. Now sponges are all coelomate and lack these appendages too. So it is mostly found in marine and freshwater both, means in sea and river, lake too we can find this, but it is not found in cold water. So we have a sponge cycon. So cycon is solitary, means living alone, and or colonial type of sponge is Leukocylenia. So yes for yes and L for L. You can read, you can remember. Now larva is here what? Larva is floating, but adult become what? Sessile. And asymmetrical because it has contained radial symmetrical in cycon and asymmetrical. It is filters feeder. Now we have some filters feeder like ciliates, mollusca, bivalvia, protochordata, sponge, and hemachordata. They are the example of filters feeder. So we can say that mollusca, unio, ciliates, protochordata, sponge, and hemichordata, they are what? They are type of filter feeder. They are 5 types. You should remember this also. Now body is small. Now this contain pore. So a small pore is inhalent, means taking out. It is like mouth type. And single pore, this is a small numerous pore, and this is a small pore, and this is like big pore. So this is called ostium, and this is called osculum, large pore, and this is out pore. This is mouth. This is what mouth, and this is what anus. So now we have also myocyte cell, means myocyte cell is regulated. So pore is regulated by myocyte cell. It is diploblastic, by the way, is ectoderm and endoderm only, no mesoderm. So flatter cell is pinacocyte, and some tubular cell is porocyte here. Now it has contained porocyte cell. So porocyte, and inner is endoderm that contain guanoderm. Outer pinacoderm, and pinacoderm contain two type of cell. This is two type of cell, pinacocyte and porocyte, and inner guanoderm, and it has having flagellated cell. Now we will continue our. Now between pinacoderm and guanoderm, non-cellular gelatin, that is called mesenchyme found. So mesenchyme is like type of what? A skeleton, like bone type, and it is amoebocyte founding. Means amoebocyte cell is wandering type of cell. It can change shape, size. It has got a spongiocele paragastric cavity between the layer. If this is the outer derm and inner derm, then here between this is the paragastric cavity. Now guano cell contain, means first is pinacoderm and the second is guanoderm, CHOAN, guanoderm. So this is guanoderm, and it contain collar cell. Guanoderm cell feeds what? Horizontally. Now we have 10 type of amoebocyte cell. Amoebocyte cell is found, this is also found in between two layers. So we have 10 type of cell. First type of cell is archaeocyte. Archaeocyte means this is generation type of cell, and makes gamules for the asexual reproduction. Trophocyte cell means nutritive cell, for food developing cell. Schizocyte cell means food reserve material cell. Cholenocyte cell means uninucleated with fiber, secrete collagen fiber. Scleroblast cell means secrete spicules. Spicules means skeleton like. Myocyte cell means opening and closing of. This is for pore. This is for what? Pore, open and close. Guanocyte, no myocyte cell. Now chromocyte cell is pigment type of cell, gives color. Phagocyte cell means engulf foreign particle. Now germ cell is for sexual reproductive cell. A gland cell secrete here mucus. Now here in this cycon we have, now in this sponge we have what? Aquaformous system. So aquaformous system, because of it is in water, so it form in all activity in water like respiration, excretion, nutrition and reproduction. So here canal system given, so it has canal system. Because of water system, it has also got canal system by this cell canal. So it got three type, that is ascon, cycon and leucon. So ascon is simple type, cycon is mixed type, and leucon is complex type. Now this is on the basis of how pass. So first water on ostia, spongiocele, then osculum, then water got out. Example, Leukocylenia is simple type, so Leukocylenia example. Now cycon type got example cycon to cycon. Now here water, ostia, in current canal, then prosopile, then radial cell, then apopyle, then spongocele, then osculum, then out. We have third type, that is leucon type or ragon type. In this larval stage is developed. Larval stage is developed in ragon type. You should remember this. This is most important. I will continue after. Now this is in leucon ragon type of cell. Third type of canal, we have how water flow. First water ostia in current canal, then prosopyle, then radial canal, apopyle, excurrent canal, spongocele, osculum, and then out. Example is Euplectilla and Halonema. Euplectilla is a flower type of a sponge, and Halonema is the glass type sponge. Now this sponge also contain a skeleton, that is called spongin fiber. I have told you. Now spicules means a skeleton. If you make that skeleton, then this will be two type or three type is this is actually. So on the basis of this skeleton, we have three classes division too. So three type: calcareoblast, silicoblast, and spongioblast. For calcareoblast, CaCO3, silicoblast got silica, and spongioblast got spongin fiber. Now digestion is intracellular within a cell because of republic of cell. And digestion take place from endoderm, that is guanoderm, the wandering amoebocyte, and excretion by simple diffusion, gas diffusion, respiration by guanoderm and body surface, circulation is by amoebocyte. Now has got both asexual and sexual. Asexual by gamule and sexual by gamete. Got gamule or bud fragmentation. So if asexual by gamule, we have told. Now gamule got internal bud, that is contain archaeocyte, and we have asexual reproduction in Leukocylenia by external budding, not internal. So you should this Leukocylenia external budding, and gamule pass through prosopyle. Prosopyle means external outlet, like type of anus. Prosopyle is a small canal connect in current canal and radial canal. So sexual, it has got sexual cell too from archaeocyte. So archaeocyte is the father type of cell or germ type of cell. From this other type of cell can be made, means this is a generator of cell. So it can form what? Protogyny or protoandry. So they are type of female and male. And sponge are also hermaphrodite, means cross fertilization here, and is internal. Now got indirect development. So if indirect development here, then got larva. So in Cycon we have amphiblastula, and in Parenchyma we have what? Leukocylenia. So we can remember as pale solid, and here am Sam. You should write Cycon am Sam amphiblastula. Now Parenchyma is the larva of many type of sponge, but we should remember this only for Leukocylenia. And we have classification based on, I have told you, as the skeleton spicules. We have three type of classification: Calcarea, Hexanelida, and Dermospongia. So in this is on the basis of spicules. There are three type of spicule we have read here: calcareoblast, silicoblast, and spongioblast. This type. So they are marine, all marine, and it got fresh water too. So in this we have got what? In this we have got got conoblast larger, conocyte larger, conocyte small, and conocyte small. Mainly important is this. This is triaxon, means three calcareous spicules. It is also it is six, means hexa to here try given, so this is wrong. With six rays given on silicous spicules, and it got combine of both or spongion fiber. So main is example we can remember is a sponge. That sponge scientific name is cron sponge or Leukocylenia smallest sponge. Its example is hexanelida example is Euplectilla, Hyalonema, and bowl sponge Phenema. Now Demospongia. In Demospongia we have example Spongilla, that is freshwater sponge, and Euspongia, bath sponge, this type. Now we will continue detailed study. So here we got, after class A division of three, that is Calcarea, Hexanelida, and Demospongia, we have read and digest. Means Euplectilla is Venus flower basket in Japan wedding, that is given as gift because of its beautiness. Euplectilla commensalism with shrimp. So commensalism means both has got what benefited. Gemule is the formation of archaeocyte. Gemule is formed by archaeocyte because archaeocyte is the like mother cell, that your genital cell. Gemule in freshwater is spongilla. We should remember this. Now body of Leukocylenia is cylindrical and radial symmetry. This is asymmetrically basically, but Leukocylenia got radially symmetrical. Now Leukocylenia. So Leukocylenia got what? This type of stage. This is a simple type of cell, simple type of pathway. Among three pathway, this is the simple pathway. Leukocylenia is external body and sexual by synagamy. External by body or sexual reproduction. Now free moving larva, and adult is sedentary. Leukocylenia is monoecious. Leukocylenia special gonad ovary from archaeocyte. Your solitary hypothetical ancestor stage is Oleanthus. Now we have here Leukocylenia is sessile, colonial, and marine. Now porocyte means pore bearing, and also for food ingestion and food out. Now sponge main feature is canal system and collar cell. We have got exogenous budding, gamation, not gemulation. It is gamation, exogenous. Formation of canal in inner wall is right, guanoderm. Now no respiratory organs it has got. Sponge digestion takes place in food vacuoles, and all is intracellular within a cell. Now sponge have evolved from guanoflagellates protozoans, and canal system is also called aquifera system. Now we will continue our some type of question, and you should revise this. I have not talked that much school way, but this is all note. You should first study that porifera, pore bearing animal, so it is called as a sponge, and it has got two type of layer. It comes under parazoa, not metazoa. And it is got republic of cell. All point is main, so you should remember all and go through all the topic.